Hello my beautiful people. Just changed my napping place from the hammock here, laying next to the beach. Laying nice, laying sweaty, letting the sun beam on me. Entering into deep meditation, inhaling and exhaling slowly. Observing animals, nature and mountains around me. I'm willing to love this life. And I'm gonna jump in the water now! So, let's go friends. Oh, look, some beautiful birds. Let's go. Enjoy a nice swim. But I'm gonna go alone. So guys, now we have a higher coconut. So, this is gonna be a little more tiring. But if you're a real coconut hero, you climb this palm. You got me? Climb this palm as good as you can. Let's get it happening. Always taking breaks. Break. Fuck, man. Try to get back as safe as possible. Don't make stupid moves. Better go slow. That's it guys, that's how you climb a coconut. We're done. Now the last mission of today is to fish out our coconut of this trash. And so let's try to find the coconut. Fill the coconut near inside of the trash. Where are you, coconut? Yeah, a lot of fucking trash, man. So disgusting. We got our big baby here. Woohoo! That's a big ass coconut. Bigger than my head, man. Might open up the coconut like that. Or maybe you have a machete. So if you have a machete, so always bam bam on top. Same principle. Open up the hole. And Enjoy. This tastes like a coconut soda. It's really good. It's really, really good, guys. Just enjoy and stay healthy. Natural, organic coconut. All what a man needs. Nice, brother. Let's make some plastic barbecue. Burn some plastic here. Healthy for every man's lungs. Waterproof cameras. Hello, motherfuckers. What's up? ¿Qué hay dentro allá? Cocaína. Mucho cocaína. Mucho más cocaína. Ya, la ropa y dentro cocaína. Dentro la ropa cocaína. No. Sí. Sí. They say there's no cocaine inside, but I doubt it, guys. Look at this ship, man. About to touch European ground in about 15 days. We just got into the harbor with a medium strong sunburn here. My friend Chucky about to catch that ship going to Singapore with the white stuff, or maybe not. Okay, guys, let's get that big girl and let's see what the city has to offer. Look at all those containers. Banana? Mango? Clothes? I don't think so. Yeah, guys. Man, I'm happy I left this island. They were scamming me all the time. But I'm soon touching ground again. And going right into the mountains after visiting the city. So let's change. Put some new clothes. And then go for adventure. These guys today are ultra toasted. Man, even the police looking to me like, come and give me 3, 4 children. Just before I packed my backpack, not filming, and then the one girl is like, marry me. I was like, why? And then I started to like, just marry me, I want to go to Estados Unidos. I was like, yeah, bro, I'm not from fucking Estados Unidos. Fuck Estados Unidos. And then I started to talk like, hey, where's the bathroom? And they were like, hey, over there, 2,000. I was like, 2,000 pesos, brother. Come on. Are you serious? I'm paying a boat for 50 euros to go and come, which is about 1 hour ride, from which 20 euro will get you whole fuel for 20 people, and it's trying to charge me 50 cents for a bathroom, from which 2 euro might be your salary in 1 hour. And I said, why you don't charge me for breathing air? That's good business, no? And yeah, she was starting to laugh. She was like, oh, my darling, I love you so much. Oh, you're talking so much true stuff. I was like, come on, what's going on with those people? They're just on the search for the power of the gringo. I'm in the bathroom, maybe without paying. Did you see this, guys? This was hilarious! Okay, just met those guys here. Got them coconut on the island. And she wanna drug me, give me scopolamine, and rob my money. Let's do this.
Una foto, tomémonos una.
Okay. That's awful. Good scopolamine.
She wants to take a picture with you, man.
I'm gonna die.
You don't like it?
You guys gonna...
No.
If I die, my grandma... food.
I'll send that video to grandma.
Nice one. Oh man, more scopolamine. Let's do this.
Yeah.
No, es como... Tienen que etiquetarlo, se llama Papa Jesus.
Scopolamine, bro.
Vamos con ustedes.
Amazing. I love it. Sientes la scopolamina? Sientes? Sientes a? Do you feel the scopolamine?
I feel it.
Okay, let's go get in your hotel before we die, brother. Okay, man. So they're parking here. Let's get it real quick out of this fucking nut place, man.
What?
Hey, man. This is my second day in the Colombian most dangerous city. My homie.
What's up?
Getting the scopolamine working. And my face looks like a fucking shrimp, man. Fucking toasted German shrimp. Only spent 3 hours in the sun, man. It's way too much for my white skin. Salam alaikum. Woohoo! I appreciate people who know about this. Okay, let's get to Popayan. Popayan. Oh, es bueno, es lindo, es chila. Es aceptable.
Es muy chiquito.
Y me gusta más Coconuco y quería ir al volcán pura sed. Ya, mucho.
No,
muy bueno. Porque hay las aguas termales.
Okay.
Y esa agua que sale de la montaña es muy buena.
¿Quieres Semana Santa?
Semana Santa.
Like a Holy Week.
Para mí es siempre Semana Santa porque yo no trabajo. Woohoo! That's life, my friends. Look at this most dangerous park of Colombia. Nothing happening. I think people are just exaggerated. Look at this little Buddha serving for peace in the city, peace and love. And over there, a storm is coming. There are the narcos trading some cocaine. Always standard. Welcome to Buenaventura. And adios.